Are you struggling to lose that extra bit of belly fat? Well, say goodbye to those sleepless nights and hello to a fit and toned body, all while enjoying a delicious bedtime drink. Hey there, welcome back to Vedic Wellness. Today I'm going to share with you the top 5 bedtime drinks that will help boost your metabolism and burn fat while you sleep. These are not just any ordinary drinks, but they are backed by science and have been proven to be effective for weight loss. So, get ready to wake up feeling refreshed and closer to your dream body. Number 1. Warm lemon water. We all know the importance of a good night's sleep, but did you know that there are bedtime drinks that can aid in weight loss? One of the best options is warm lemon water. This refreshing drink has been touted for its numerous health benefits, including aiding in digestion and boosting the immune system. But it's also a great choice for those looking to shed a few extra pounds. Lemon water can help suppress appetite and boost metabolism, making it easier to reach your weight loss goals. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to enhance your fat-burning efforts, try sipping on warm lemon water before bed. Number 2. Turmeric milk. Losing weight is always a challenge, but did you know that you can shed some pounds while you sleep? That's right, by choosing the right bedtime drink, you can boost your metabolism and promote fat burning in your body. And one of the most effective drinks for this purpose is turmeric milk. Not only is it delicious and comforting, but turmeric contains a powerful antioxidant called curcumin, which has been shown to have fat-burning properties. Plus, milk helps you feel full and satisfied, so you're less likely to snack before bed. But turmeric milk is just one of the 5 best bedtime drinks for fat burning. Number 3. Green tea with ginger and lemon. If you're someone who struggles with achieving your weight loss goals, then it may be time to try incorporating some bedtime drinks into your nightly routine. And one drink that's certainly worth trying? Green tea with ginger and lemon. Not only is green tea packed with antioxidants and metabolism-boosting properties, but ginger can also help reduce inflammation and aid digestion, and lemon can alkalize your body and improve gut health. Mix these 3 ingredients together, sip slowly, and let the fat-burning benefits work their magic as you drift off into a peaceful slumber. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. So why not give it a try tonight? Number 4. Chamomile tea with apple cider vinegar. If you're looking to trim down and lose weight, incorporating bedtime drinks into your routine might be a great option for you. And one drink in particular that you won't want to miss out on is chamomile tea with apple cider vinegar. This powerful combination not only helps with digestion, but also promotes fat burning while you sleep. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized after a great night's sleep, and knowing that your body is working hard to burn excess fat. That's exactly what chamomile tea with apple cider vinegar can offer. So if you're ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level, give this bedtime drink a try tonight and see the amazing results for yourself. Number 5. Warm honey and cinnamon water. Finding the perfect bedtime drink to help with weight loss can be tough, but warm honey and cinnamon water is definitely a contender among the 5 best drinks for fat burning. Not only does it taste heavenly, but this sweet and spicy concoction can also give your metabolism a boost while you're sound asleep, helping you burn stubborn fat while you rest. Plus, cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which can reduce cravings and prevent overeating the next day. So, cozy up with a warm cup of honey and cinnamon water before bed, and let this delicious drink aid in your weight loss journey. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you some great ideas for bedtime drinks to aid in your weight loss journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Let's support each other on our paths towards a healthier lifestyle. Cheers to better sleep and happy fat burning.